Installing grid-tie PV systems. You will need the following supplies. These are the tools and equipment that you will be using for the installation. Wear proper personal protective equipment. Analyze the given PV system diagram and layout. Evaluate the site assessment report. Inspect and test PV components before installation. Installing the mounting structure. Step 1. Measure the roof to figure out the placement of the mounting structure and the spacing of the panels. Step 2. Lay out the position of the mounting structure. Step 3. Remove any existing bolt on the spot where you will attach the L-foot to. Step 4. Apply sealant on the spot that you will drill on to make sure that water cannot enter that hole. Step 5. Fasten the L-foot on the same spot. Repeat steps 3 to 5 until all the L-foots have been secured. Attach the railings to the roof. Secure the railings to the L-foot by using bolts. Connect the railings to each other using the splice. Installing the panels. Measure the placements of the panels on the railings to ensure that the distance between each panel is equal. Insert the wires into the gaps of the railings. Lay out all the panels on the railings, making sure that they are secured and won't slip down. Place the grounding rib first before attaching the end clamps at the ends of the row and the middle clamps in between the panels. Arrange the wires of the panel so that it will be easier to connect the wires after the installation of the panels. Installing the balance of system components. Lay out the position of the distribution box. Lay out the position of the inverter. Lay out the position of the conduits. Before drilling the holes to install the components, be sure to wear proper goggles to prevent dust from going into your eyes. Drill holes on the wall where you're going to attach the components based on the layout. Use the spirit level to make sure that the components are level to the ground. Install the inverter. Install the distribution box. Install the DC and AC circuit breaker of the inverter to the distribution box. Install AC and DC surge protection devices. Wire the solar panels according to the diagram and connect them to the circuit breaker of the inverter. Secure the conduits in place using clamps. Wire the inverter according to the diagram. Secure all the wires and connections of the AC circuit breaker, DC circuit breakers, SPP, grounding bus bar, and CT sensor. After the installation, perform the final installation checkout. Turn on the DC circuit breaker and/or DC switch. Turn on the AC circuit breaker and/or AC switch. Configure the inverter settings and cloud connection for the monitoring of the PV system.